There is a quiet, intense battle happening right now at the very top of the creative world, and it is fundamentally changing how the things we watch, listen to, and interact with are made. For a long time, if you were a high-level professional running a massive studio, an enterprise data laboratory, or a high-end Hollywood editing suite, your choice of hardware was defined by an ugly, industrial compromise. If you wanted the absolute limit of computing power, you had to buy a massive roaring tower that sat under your desk, leaked heat into your room, and came tangled in a web of messy external cables and separate monitors. If you wanted a clean, elegant workspace that didn't look like a server room. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. You had to settle for a consumer-grade all-in-one machine that would choke, freeze, and throttle the moment you pushed it with heavy, complex workloads. You were forced to choose between raw power and pure design. But Apple quietly looked at this frustration and decided to completely rewrite the rules of professional computing. The result of that defiance is a machine that redefines the absolute peak of desktop engineering. The Apple iMac Pro. This is not just a standard computer with a shiny finish and a faster processor. This is a highly calculated, hyper-engineered workstation designed to obliterate the concept of technological bottlenecks. Over the next 30 minutes, we are going to tear down the illusion of what you think a desktop computer can do, explore the terrifyingly powerful architecture driving this sleek monolith, and explain why your current professional setup is secretly robbing you of your most valuable asset, your time. If you think your current computer is handling your workflow just fine, you are about to realize exactly how much speed, efficiency, and revenue you have been bleeding every single day. Let's start by addressing the dark psychology of professional productivity. In the high-stakes world of content creation, software engineering, and heavy data modeling, the single greatest killer of creativity is waiting. Think about your current daily workflow. Every time you hit render on a complex visual effects timeline, every time you compile millions of lines of code, and every time you export a massive, multi-layered audio project, your life stops. You watch a progress bar crawl across the screen. You get up, walk away, grab a coffee, and wait. In those moments, your momentum is completely shattered. Your brain leaves the state of deep creative flow, and you are forced into a state of passive waiting. Tech companies have conditioned us to accept this as the normal price of doing business. They use big marketing buzzwords to hide the fact that their machines are fundamentally inefficient at managing sustained, high-intensity heat and data travel. The iMac Pro completely shatters this reality. Inside its impossibly thin, iconic profile lies a custom-engineered cooling and silicon architecture that turns traditional computer physics on its head. In a standard desktop computer, data has to travel across a large physical motherboard from the processor to the memory, then to the graphics card, and finally to the storage drive. Every single millimeter of that physical distance introduces microscopic latency. When you are processing billions of data points simultaneously, those tiny delays compound, manifesting as stuttering timelines, lagging previews, and the dreaded spinning wheel of death. Apple solved this by consolidating the entire computing core into a highly unified system where data doesn't travel between components anymore. It exists simultaneously on a hyperfast, high-bandwidth bus. The response is instantaneous. When you manipulate a high-resolution, multi-stream timeline, it moves with a fluid, organic smoothness